All right, welcome in everyone. It's Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. I have another amazing passive income opportunity, and it involves a cryptocurrency I had forgot about, to be honest with you. They have been around since 2018. It's called aelf. They have been building in the background for the last 5 years, and they're really now trying to get, um, you know, members, users, right? Every cryptocurrency needs users. So right now, aelf is the 123rd cryptocurrency. They have a $248 million market cap. And I was shocked to see how well this coin has done the last year. When most, we were in this bear market, most tokens were going down. aelf in the last year went from 13 cents to 36 cents. So imagine what's going to happen when the bull run comes. And they basically started right as the 2017 bull market ended. So they've already gone over $1, and they've been, as low as 13 cents, and now they're back up to 36 cents. So why we are talking about this is they have a new promotion where the aelf treasury is donating 36 million aelf tokens to bring users on. That's $10 million. All right. So they also have a new token called aelf. So aelf has 1 billion, aelf has 10 billion, and this token is just getting started, and we'll be able to earn this passively. And I'm not going to go over this too much. Rav, who introduced this to me, will go over and do a full presentation. I'm just giving you guys the overview here. But as you can see here, most of the aelf is going to be distributed to staking people, providing liquidity. They talked a lot about how they're making a big push for the play to earn, and they're bringing on lots of big influencers and video game professionals to do that on aelf. Now here's where it gets exciting, is we can get into this wave leverage pool and basically 3 times our money in 100 days because they're paying out those rewards. So you can withdraw Bitcoin, ETH, aelf, USDT, USDC, or BNB, and you're going to get rewarded with aelf and aelf 3 times the amount that you put in. The minimum is at $100, and I don't think there's a maximum. So again, this kind of goes in phases. So we did miss a couple of the phases, okay, but there's like 15 of them. And so I think basically each 10 days, each phase, you get paid a little bit more because the leverage goes up. So you definitely want to get started as quickly as you can. Now here's the fun part, is you can refer this and then earn community rewards. You only need 5 directs to unlock that community, and then it's about your team's network. Okay, so and then you just want to help people rank up, and basically as your sales keep going in your network, you get more of a reward. And then you also get airdrops if you hold the aelf token, and there's other benefits, so that's basically that. Okay, so let's see how to get started with this. I'm going to show you guys my new account, but I'll just show you this right now. I put in just like $200, and I've gotten back $5, and I can claim this now, and then you can also swap it. So I haven't. Okay, so there you just saw. I didn't know what was going to happen. So all you do is hit claim. Oh, that left there. Gotcha. So I guess it's in my wallet then. Okay, there we go. So I've gotten 77 aelf. And remember, this is a new token, so the price is still pretty low. And then I got 5 aelf, $2. And then I guess I think. Oh yeah, so you can swap it right here. So if you're like, well, I don't like aelf or whatever, okay, that's cool. You can swap it. So you can swap it for ETH, BNB, USDT, or USDC. I'll just try this out. Let's just say we're going to do some BNB. The minimum's 100 aelf to swap it. But you can swap it right here once you have enough. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So the first thing, I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to change, I'm going to be using Rabby. I'm going to change my wallet. So I'll have to sign up again. Let's do this one. Okay. And then you're going to get my link, which will be down below in the YouTube video. So let's click on that and go to it. And I'm using Rabby, okay? But you can just click on MetaMask and it'll connect. Okay, so this, you double check to make sure this is, my code. Yeah, UIU, good. All right, and then this will be your username. So I'm gonna call it, okay, you can't do, okay. So Manifest Master 2, because this is my second account, I'll confirm it. Okay, and we're gonna go in this wave leverage protocol because that's where you're getting the almost 300% APR. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to assets and we're gonna deposit. And I have BNB. Okay, so let me pull up my wallet. 1 second. And you don't have to have the BNB in your your MetaMask or Rabby. You can have it in anything. So I'm going to copy this address. And then I'm going to send 0x125. So I'm going to do oops. I'm going to do 1,000 in this one. Okay, so we'll wait just a minute for that to get here and then we'll keep going. All right, so I'm going to tell you guys this just so you can look out for it. I don't know why this happened, but I sent in 4.4 BNB, which was 1,000, and they're only saying it's $900. And I went and looked, and BNB is over 225 a token, so I don't know why they're doing that. So I'm going to send this out and swap it for USDT, so I'm getting my full $1,000. So I'm going to pause it here, and I'll be right back. One more thing you'll need to do before you can, do much on this is you got to set a security password. So you just go here, and it's a 6-digit password. So make sure you guys set that and write it down. Okay, got the USDT. So obviously, if you're USDT, you can bring it in on Binance Smart Chain, Tron, or Ethereum. So make sure you. All right, so the $1,000 USDT is in there. So now we're going to go back to home, and we want to get in this wave leverage protocol. So we're going to click stake now. We'll click on this to select our asset, which is USDT. And we have 1,000. Confirm your purchase. We'll do all. So 1,000. Hit confirm. You'll put in your 6-digit PIN. You can view the order if you want. And we're in that leverage protocol with 1,000. Got the timestamp, all that. I think that's it. We can go to our awards account. So this is where your aelf and aelfu will pop up that I showed you from my other account. You go to profile, get your invitation code, and then you can invite people. Click on that, it'll give you a QR code. You can copy the code or copy the link. So I'll put that here. And that's pretty much it. Sit back, relax. You can unstake whenever you want. You can sell your assets daily or swap them if you have the minimum. That's pretty much it, guys. You'll start seeing your leadership rewards as you share this. But yeah, 3x your money in about 100 days. And yeah, guys, I think Elf, this was smart to do. Get people involved. You need, community members. So very, I've always respected them. They were like real blockchain developers. But, there's so many options and opportunities in crypto, it's hard to keep them all straight. But I think this is a great way to incentivize people to provide liquidity for their platform. So if you guys want to get started, just look down below for the referral code and pass it along, share it out, guys. This is what happens in a bull run is tons of money comes into the crypto space, and you have to be on your game and running with the runners. Take advantage of it. All right, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.